Hopefully we're killing 3 birds with 1 stone. Good afternoon. How are we doing today? It's a beautiful day. It's a little chilly, but it's a nice sunny day. Got a little bit of late start this morning. We had to run into town and grab some supplies for our project today. And then we stopped by the nursery and we picked up some newer plants. We got some cherries and some plums and some haskaps and some elderberries and a few other things that we need to get in the ground. So today, I don't know how many of those we're going to get planted, but I want to get down here and work on the raised beds here this morning, or I guess it's the afternoon. It is afternoon here. I want to chicken-proof them. I mean, that was the whole plan from the get-go, was to chicken-proof them. The raised beds there, as you can see, and everything we planted last week is starting to come up, as you can see. There's quite a bit of stuff. But what the whole plan was, why we put these posts here and this beams across the top here, is that I wanted to eventually wrap this in wire and put doors on it and access doors. And we didn't get done on that last year whenever we put these in. So I want to get that done today to kind of keep the chickens out of here now that I got things growing in here this year. So I'm going to be right back. I got to go grab some supplies and I'll be right back. So just hold on tight. We got the chicken wire. We got it the whole way around here now. We got it attached good at the bottom there and attached good at the top there. That should keep the chickens out. And on the front here, we made these front gates out of 2 cattle panels. Well, it's 1 cattle panel cut in half and it's locked together in the middle. And that way we have access on one side and we should be able to reach everything and be able to keep the chickens out. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to finish up this other one here. We got the cattle panels up, got the chicken wire on there, and the chickens shouldn't get in there now. So, I mean, we only have maybe $100 in these 2 raised beds, if even that. So, if it works out great, I might build a few more of them. We'll keep you updated on how everything works out. All right, we got to clean up here. Okay, so we got the raised beds all finished up. We got the cages all built around her. I think we're going to keep the chickens out of there. So now we're going to work on, I want to get the plastic down on this upper garden here, so that way I can start getting peas and a couple other cool weather crops in the ground this week here. So we're going to put this plastic down. We're putting rocks down to hold this down. So hopefully we're killing 3 birds with 1 stone. We're putting the plastic down to control the weeds. We're putting the plastic down to control the chickens. And we're also putting the rocks down to pick some of the rocks off of the pasture, so that way the grass can grow better in the pastures. All right, so let's get started on this. Wrap it up for today. I think we got enough rocks down here to hold the plastic down. I got to get to feeding the animals, and so I guess that's about it for today, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya. Bye.